Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your ZTE Blade A31. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and we'll need to start searching for an app. Here write Google Classroom and hit the search button. Select this app and press install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app, get started, choose the account you want to use or add another one. So I'm just gonna pick the one that already exists. And after that, our Google Classroom is ready and we can join the class. Press on this plus button and then join class. Here enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, simply press join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.